Hello and welcome to the Apex Engineered E36 front X-Brace install. Now we have these available for the E30 and E46, but for this video on the product overview side, they're all relatively the same, so we're going to focus on the E36 one today. So today we're going to go over what's included, the construction of the X-Brace, our QC process, and color options. First, it's going to be what's included. You have this tubular X-Brace itself, and a hardware pack. The X-Brace itself is made out of tubular steel with some steel gussets. It's extremely rigid and offers an insane amount of torsional resistance on the chassis itself, as well as a nice finished powder coat to top it off. Our QC process is relatively straightforward. On this is all manufactured on a laser cut fixture. Now this is to ensure that it will fit onto just about every E36 out there, aside from those that have any collisions or accidents or anything significant damage that might have been induced. In that aspect, you can feel free to give us a call or email, and we can give you some measurements just to make sure if it'll actually fit for your specific car. The QC process on this itself is just going to be checking the bolt holes after it's powder coated to making sure they have ample clearance and the bolt holes onto the car as well. The next part of the QC process is going to be the powder coated finish. We want to make sure there's no major scratches, dings, or dents on this guy before we ship it out to you. And we do package it with a really nice expansion foam in place method to keep it secure during shipping. Finally, it's going to be the color options. This is a metallic red that this customer ordered. It's a very specific red and it's a very custom red. We do have a ton of other colors available. Take a look at the video up here for our available color options. And for the install video, you can go ahead and take a look at the install down there. If you have any other questions or concerns, feel free to give us a call or shoot us an email. Thanks again.